Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ihsan Fajar Said Muharram from International Program on Science Education 2018. In this video, I will show you the simple experiment that I call invisible shadow. The material that you need is a cricket, and also you need the light. Okay, first turn on the light and hold the cricket until you see the shadow of the cricket, and then light the cricket. You'll notice that only the shadow of your hand and the cricket itself will appear on the wall. But why did it happen? Actually, fire doesn't produce a shadow because it doesn't impede the passage of the light through itself in the same way that physical materials do. And that's all. How simple is it, right? Thanks for watching and goodbye.